Looking for a travel trailer that's easy to tow? Well, you don't need a heavy-duty truck to hit the road in style. The best travel trailers under 5,000 pounds offer smart layouts, great features, and plenty of comfort, all in lightweight packages. From one of 2025's most compact bunkhouse travel trailers to a light yet surprisingly spacious small camper with a slide out, here are 5 travel trailers under 5,000 pounds that are perfect for your next adventure. If you're looking for a lightweight travel trailer that's easy to tow and packed with smart designs, Coleman 13B should honestly be at the top of your list. With a GVWR of just 3,500 pounds and an ultra-light dry weight of just under 2,500 pounds, this compact camper gives you a generous 1,000 pounds of cargo capacity, which is plenty of room for gear, food, and supplies while staying within safe towing limits. At just under 16 feet long, it's one of the smallest trailers in its class, making it an ideal choice for first-time RVers, couples, or small families who want a no-fuss camper that's easy to manage on the road and at the campsite. What sets the Coleman 13B apart, though, is its all-electric design. That's right, there's no propane on board. This means you don't have to worry about refilling propane tanks, pilot lights, or gas-related maintenance. Instead, you get a modern, plug-and-play camping experience perfect for those who prefer simple and efficient travel. Whether you're parked at a full hookup campground or using a portable generator, all your major appliances, from the fridge to the induction cooktop to the electric fireplace, run off electricity. Despite its compact size, the Coleman 13B makes smart use of the space. It's an 8-foot wide trailer, which gives you more interior room than you probably expect. The 6-foot 6-inch interior height ensures that even taller campers won't feel cramped. The bunkhouse layout makes a great fit for small families, offering sleeping space for up to 4 people. In the rear here, you'll find 2 sturdy twin bunks, perfect for kids or guests, with each bunk rated for an impressive 300 pounds. The lower bunk includes underbed storage, which is ideal for stashing extra camping gear or even a small portable grill. And storage is well thought out throughout, right? With overhead cabinets, a dedicated trash can space, and upgraded drawers in the kitchen, which are a big improvement over many competing models in this size category. The 13B includes an electric fireplace, which adds a cozy touch while providing efficient heating on those chilly nights. And the sidewall mounted air conditioner ensures that you stay cool during summer trips. In the kitchen here, you'll find a single burner induction cooktop, a microwave, and a 3.2 cubic foot refrigerator, all designed to offer convenience without sacrificing space. The higher faucet makes dishwashing easier, while the compact bathroom includes a toilet, a shower, and a vent up top. At roughly 2,500 pounds dry, the 13B is one of the easiest travel trailers to tow. If you're worried about needing a full-size truck to hit the road, don't be. This model is going to be towable by many smaller SUVs and crossovers. So whether you're a weekend warrior or planning longer adventures, this trailer proves that great things do come in small, lightweight packages, offering all the essentials without the extra weight. The Coleman 13B is perfect for those who want a super light, all-electric camper. But if you're looking for a bit more family-friendly space with traditional propane appliances, the Ozark 1620 BHLE brings extra cargo capacity and a larger interior to the mix. Let's check it out. With a GVWR of just 3,800 pounds and a dry weight of about 2,900, the Ozark 1620 BHLE provides comfortable sleeping for up to 5 people without the bulk and weight of a full-size trailer. This means you have just under 1,000 pounds of cargo carrying capacity to load your gear, food, water, and whatever other camping essentials you're going to need, making it a well-balanced trailer that stays within tow limits while still allowing ample storage. If you're a small family looking for an easy-to-tow RV and versatile living and sleeping spaces, the Ozark 1620 BHLE checks all the right boxes. One of the Ozark's biggest advantages is its family-friendly bunkhouse layout, which maximizes sleeping and storage space. Here in the back, you'll find sturdy twin bunk beds, giving kids or guests their dedicated sleeping area. And unlike some smaller bunk models, these beds are well built and rated for up to 300 pounds each, meaning they can accommodate teenagers or even larger adults like myself quite comfortably. What you'll also notice is the storage underneath the bottom bunk. This allows you to tuck away camping essentials without taking up valuable interior space. At the front of the trailer, a fixed queen bed ensures that mom and dad don't have to convert a couch or dinette every night. This makes setup and teardown much easier while still providing a true bedroom feel in a lightweight camper. There is overhead storage up above, you can see that there, as well as a wardrobe over to the side for hanging clothes. Now, the middle of the trailer is where this compact RV really shines. The versatile sofa here provides a comfortable daytime lounge area while doubling as an additional sleeping space when needed. Instead of a traditional booth dinette, the 1620 BHLE features a removable table, giving you more flexibility to eat, work, or play games without feeling cramped. Plus, the large panoramic windows make the interior just feel bright and open, bringing in natural light and making the space feel even bigger. The kitchen has a 2-burner cooktop, single basin sink with high-rise faucet, and a 4.5 cubic foot refrigerator, offering plenty of space for storing groceries and preparing meals. There's also a decent amount of counter space and storage right up top. Plus, the electric fireplace adds warmth on chilly nights and enhances the overall ambiance of the space. The rear corner bathroom includes a full shower and toilet, meaning you won't have to rely on the campground facilities unless, of course, you want to. The shower even has a vent up top with skylight, giving you improved airflow and additional headroom. Thanks to its single-axle design and aerodynamic build, it's a breeze to tow and maneuver the Ozark, whether backing into a campsite or cruising down the highway. The hitch weight is going to be moderate, making it manageable for various mid-size SUVs and smaller trucks, but it's always a good idea to check your tow vehicle's capacity when fully loaded. Outside, the power awning here with LED lighting covers your outdoor living space, and the rock guard up front helps protect the front of the trailer from road debris. You'll also get a full-size spare on the back for peace of mind, and solar prep allows for future off-grid capability. This trailer offers an unbeatable balance of size, weight, and functionality, making it a perfect entry-level travel trailer for small families looking for extra space on the road. It stays well under the 5,000-pound GVWR threshold, ensuring easy towability with ample space to bring everything you need for your next adventure. The 1620 BHLE just proves that smaller campers can still accommodate families, but what if you're a couple looking for a dedicated queen bed and a full rear bath? That's where the Coleman 17R shines, offering a comfortable living space with a sofa and spacious dry bathroom. Let's check it out. Measuring 20 feet 8 inches long, the Coleman 17R strikes a perfect balance. It's large enough to feel spacious, yet still lightweight and easy to tow for mid-size SUVs and compact trucks. With a GVWR of 4,300 pounds and an approximate dry weight of 3,100, this trailer provides a solid 1,200 pounds of cargo capacity, allowing you to bring plenty of gear without exceeding any weight limits. What makes the 17R stand out is its versatile and comfortable floor plan, making it an excellent choice for couples. The fixed front queen bed with overhead storage and side wardrobe gives you a no-hassle setup at the end of a long day. Just climb on in and go to sleep. The dinette here offers a dedicated seating area, perfect for meals or working on the road. Even without a slide-out, this interior feels comfortable and spacious for two. In the kitchen here, you'll find everything needed for easy meal prep on the road. You'll get a 2-burner cooktop, microwave, and compact refrigerator, which provide the basics for cooking, while overhead cabinets and storage drawers ensure you have space for dishes and dry goods. The sink might be a little bit smaller than some prefer, but I do like how they gave you a high-rise faucet just to make washing dishes a little bit easier. One of the Coleman 17R's best highlights, though, is its full-width rear bathroom. This gives you more functional space for the shower, toilet, and a sizable wardrobe. A true dry bath makes this trailer feel a little more like a home. On the outside, the 8-foot power awning with LED lighting creates a great outdoor space, while pass-through storage makes packing more convenient. The friction hinge door means safer entry and exit, while it comes pre-wired for a backup camera, giving you extra peace of mind when maneuvering into campsites. Its weight and single-axle design make it an easy towing trailer suitable for mid-size SUVs and smaller trucks. Even then, adding a weight distribution hitch will improve towing comfort for some of these smaller vehicles. For couples looking for an affordable, easy-to-tow travel trailer, the 17R offers a spacious layout, a comfortable queen bed, and a full bathroom, all in a lightweight package. It's a great first RV for those new to camping and a budget-friendly option for travelers who want the essentials without extra bulk. Whether you're planning weekend getaways or longer road trips, this RV proves that lightweight trailers can still offer great comfort and convenience. And the Coleman 17R is great for couples, but if you love the idea of bunk beds in a Murphy bed for even more living area flexibility, the Silver Lake 1610 BHLE offers a brilliantly efficient layout that provides extra space in smart storage. With a GVWR under 5,000 pounds and a dry weight of approximately 3,900, the Silver Lake 1610 BHLE offers over 1,000 pounds of cargo carrying capacity. At 22 feet 5 inches, it's one of the larger trailers in this weight class, giving campers more interior space and sleeping capacity without pushing into heavier towing requirements. The 1610 BHLE is built for families with older kids and or more camping gear. Unlike smaller models, it features double bunks with added sleeping space for teenagers or even smaller adults. The bunks have dedicated USB ports so that kids can easily charge their own devices, and there's storage under the bottom bunk, which helps you keep the main living space neat and tidy. And did I mention it's 8-foot width and taller 81-inch interior height? Plus, one of the standout features of this trailer is the Murphy bed. By day, this area serves as a sofa lounge, providing a comfortable, relaxing seating space while maximizing walkability as you move in and out. At night, it folds down into a queen-size bed. This dual-purpose design is perfect for those who want a more open floor plan during the day, but still need a dedicated bed at night. The kitchen is one of the more spacious setups in this weight class, featuring a deep basin stainless steel sink with a high-rise faucet, seamless countertops, and ample storage. It has a 2-burner cooktop, a microwave, and a large 12-volt refrigerator, providing more food storage capacity than many comparable models. I also love that they stack the burners here to give you all this central counter space right in the center, and the perfectly matching sink cover helps you enjoy enough space to prepare meals without using the dinette. Speaking of, the oversized dinette with the removable table offers a place for meals and converts into an additional sleeping area. The bathroom is compact but well designed, featuring one of the largest vanity and sink combos you'll find in a smaller camper. The mirrored medicine cabinet gives you extra bathroom storage, and the counter cutout makes the toilet fit a bit more comfortably. The on-demand tankless water heater is a nice upgrade for families who all need showers after a long day outdoors. Outside, the 14-foot power awning with LED lighting enhances your outdoor experience, and the pass-through storage offers plenty of room for all of your gear. A black tank flush system simplifies holding tank maintenance, plus solar prep allows you to add some off-grid capability. For families looking for a spacious, lightweight travel trailer, the Silver Lake 1610 BHLE delivers. With its clever Murphy bed layout, large bunks, and generous kitchen, it provides a well-thought-out design that works for everything from weekend trips to summer-long outings. While the Silver Lake adds versatility with its Murphy bed, the Springdale 1860 SS's Super Slide further expands the living area, making it feel more like a full-size RV while remaining towable for many SUVs and trucks. With a GVWR just over 5,000 pounds, the Springdale Classic 1860 SS pushes the upper weight limit while still remaining towable for many SUVs. Roughly 1,100 pounds of cargo carrying capacity offers a lot of space, and at 22 feet 10 inches, this trailer stands out for its spacious interior thanks to its Super Slide, making it one of the roomiest options in its weight class. The 1860 SS is the only model on our list with a full slide out. This slide houses the U-dinette as well as the jackknife sofa, creating a great lounge area that feels more like a living room than a compact trailer. I mean, just look at all this floor space. The layout's perfect for couples who want extra room to relax, but it also works for families needing a flexible setup for sleeping and dining. The dinette and sofa convert into additional sleeping spaces, meaning the trailer can comfortably accommodate up to 6 people. I also love that because it isn't a flush floor slide out. Keystone said, no wasted space. And what they did is they added pull-out drawers below both the dinette and the sofa. At the front, you'll find a fixed queen bed, eliminating the need to fold down a Murphy bed or converted dinette at night. An overhead shelf and a single wardrobe offer space for clothes, books, or whatever other personal items you need to store. The kitchen is fully equipped for extended trips, featuring a 2-burner cooktop, a microwave, and an impressive 7.7 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator, plus has a 20,000 BTU direct vent furnace, which is plenty to keep this camper nice and warm on cooler summer nights. The rear corner bathroom is compact but still well appointed, featuring a spacious shower with a skylight for extra headroom. You can see I can stand up at 6 foot tall, a foot flush toilet, and a vanity with a small mirror, but still ample counter space. The tankless water heater is great for endless hot showers when you're connected to sewer and city water. While the Super Slide extends the interior living space, the 15-foot power awning with LED lights covers your outdoor patio. Plus, the walkable roof allows easy maintenance access, and pass-through storage ensures you can pack plenty of gear. This Keystone camper is also solar prepped, allowing you to choose your preferred Solar Flex package if you intend on off-grid camping. And since this camper is just above the 5,000-pound limit, it's important to be mindful of loaded weight, especially if carrying full tanks or heavy gear. The hitch weight of around 550 to about 600 pounds means a midsize SUV may struggle, making a half-ton truck the ideal tow vehicle. A weight distribution hitch is highly recommended for improved stability on the road. If you go with something in this weight range, you really need to evaluate your SUV's towing capacity. So there you have it. 5 fantastic travel trailers, all under or near that 5,000-pound GVWR, and each offering something unique for different campers. Now, I want to hear from you, right? Which of these lightweight travel trailers fits your camping style? Just drop a comment below and let us know which one you'd take on your next adventure. Happy camping, and we'll see you on the road.